wondered why your heart never gets tired? By the Curious Medic. Dive into the incredible biology behind your perpetual pulse, from its unique muscle tissue to its clever energy systems. Discover the secrets of your body's most enduring engine. Introduction. Well, I'll be. Have you ever stopped to really think about it? I mean, rare think. While your legs turn to jelly after a sprint and your arms feel like lead weights after moving furniture, there's one part of you that just keeps on ticking, day in and day out, without so much as a coffee break. That's right, we're talking about your heart. It's the ultimate marathon runner, the indefatigable engine that powers your entire existence. So, what's the secret? Why does this fist-sized powerhouse never punch out for a nap? Buckle up, because the answer is a fascinating journey into the very core of what keeps you alive. Let's unravel the mystery of why your heart never gets tired. The muscle that's in a league of its own. First things first, let's clear up a common misconception. You might think your heart is just like your biceps or quads, but oh boy, you'd be mistaken. While they're all muscles, your heart is the special ops of the muscular world. It plays by a completely different set of rules. Cardiac muscle, the exclusive club. Your heart is made of cardiac muscle, a type of tissue found nowhere else in your body. Skeletal muscles, the ones you use to wave or walk, are all about voluntary control and quick, powerful bursts. But cardiac muscle, it's built for endurance. Its fibers are interconnected in a dense network, allowing electrical impulses to spread rapidly and ensuring every single part of the heart contracts in a perfectly synchronized, rhythmic way. Skeletal muscles can afford to take turns, resting some fibers while others work. Your heart. Every fiber is on duty, all the time. It's a well-rehearsed, non-stop concert, not a series of disjointed solos. The energy powerhouse, jogging on empty is a surefire way to hit the wall, right? Well, your heart is a hyper-efficient hybrid engine that never runs out of fuel. It's packed with mitochondria, think of them as tiny cellular power plants. In fact, heart muscle cells have a much higher density of mitochondria than any skeletal muscle cell. These little dynamos are constantly burning a mix of fuels, fatty acids, glucose, lactate, to produce a steady, relentless supply of energy, ATP. This isn't a gas-guzzling dragster, it's a precision-tuned machine that efficiently converts fuel into motion,